In the heart of Luzon, a new dawn is breaking. Today, we start building yet another milestone for a brighter tomorrow. Thank you, Bulacan and Nueva Ecija, for providing the foundation for our sustainable future.
Di na ako tumanda sa Gapan. Pero ngayon ko lang naramdaman na may pag-asa ang kinabukasan ng mga apo ko.
This is the best way forward for our industry and our country. I'm honored to be part of history in the making.
The largest single-site solar project and battery energy storage system in the world rises in the Philippines.
Proud Bulacania ako. Mas proud ngayon kasi makikilala kami sa buong mundo dahil sa Terra Solar. Bukod dyan ay dadami ang trabaho at lalago ang negosyo dito sa amin.
The technology we are deploying here is cutting edge, ensuring a more reliable energy system for the Philippines.
Sana lumaki ako sa mundong malinis, maayos, at mapayapa.
Terra Solar is more than just a power project. It is our commitment to a greener and sustainable future. We aim to provide a substantial percentage of the Philippines' energy needs, which will offset carbon dioxide emissions by 4.3 million tons annually.
We are building on the hopes and dreams of the communities we serve. Terra Solar is a beacon of progress, showing the world that the Philippines is taking bold steps in the clean energy revolution. With a track record of over 120 years and a clear roadmap to a brighter future, we look forward to providing better lives for all of us.
Bukas,
Tomorrow.
Bukas.
Bukas. Tomorrow.
Bukas.
Tomorrow,
bukas, sisikat na ang araw. Para sa akin.
Para sa amin.
Para sa ating lahat!